getting ready to pick a few ears of corn. This will be the first time I've picked any. From what I read online, it said to pull it down, and it says that they're ready if the silks are dried up like this, and this part should still be green. So it said to pull it down and twist. And wow, that was really easy to come off. And this is a really tiny corn. I'm gonna peek in here and see. I think this is the Ruby Queen, so I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look or not. It feels soft, like it feels juicy. What I'm happy about is that I don't see any bugs in the corn. Now I thought that the kernels were going to be solid pink color. Now up here at the top it's not completely done. And actually it's got damage on this side. See that right there? So does anybody know what does that kind of damage? Hopefully I can just clean up that area, like cut all that off and still use the rest of the corn. It's a pretty color though. So I'm gonna get this one right here. Now I've got to be careful with picking because I've got some, and I've got ants in here, but I was gonna say I've got popcorn also, and I kind of planted them all close together, and so I don't know exactly which is popcorn, but I think it's more on the other end. But you see I've got ants crawling on this. This one feels really like toasted, really dried out at the top. Next year I'll try to keep my varieties like separated by bed, but this year I kind of just put them all. I did rows of a different kind. This corn feels like it should, and I don't see that damage that I saw on the last cob, so that's exciting. I've got a couple here. So I'm going to try to pick all the ones that are dark colored husk at the top. And I'm planning on taking these in and cooking these, which is why I'm not worried about peeling them back. This is another one of the, I think it's Ruby Queen. Let me see if it's got that damage that the other one had. Doesn't look like it. This one looks better than the other one. And these are really small. I'd say they're probably half the size of a regular ear of corn. Ooh, that one's got a roach right there. A little roach. Right there on the husk. So they're really easy to just twist off of there. Really pretty colors. This was really fun to grow. The silk was pretty, the tassels were pretty, and the corn kernels themselves are really pretty. Let me peel this one. Peel this one all the way. Let's see. Look at that. It's a darling little ear of corn. Look at that. I love that. I hope this tastes really good. I'm going to take it in and boil it tonight and see. But I'm very happy with the color. I don't know why the other ones don't, the color isn't as throughout. See that? Maybe this needed to be left a little longer. This one's bigger. Ooh, the roaches. I see several little roaches hiding in the husk. This is another one, but this one is so tiny. I don't know if I'm supposed to leave these longer because this part's already dark, so I don't know if it would grow anymore if I left it. That's like, if you compare it to this one, this one's much smaller. Got one here. This one is a yellow. Now this one's got damage at the top. See that? And I was spraying these after they got the silks, shortly after the silks appeared. I started treating them for worms once a week, but I didn't know to do it in the beginning until my husband was like, you need to start treating once a week, and then I did. But they probably had the silks on them maybe a week before I started treating. So this is another larger corn. I'm thinking this is going to be the yellow, and it is, but I see it's dried up at the top like the other one. Just like that at the top, but it looks like it'll be fine if I just cut that little top piece off, and it's a decent length. This one looks good. This is like a thick little ear, thick and stout, short. One thing I've noticed is that it's pretty much one ear of corn per stalk. So that's something to consider, because I feel like, now this, look at this is a different variety. I'm trying to remember which one, but this corn looks white. Let's see if I can still, I may have, I'm not sure which one this is. I'm trying to see if I can find the plant marker. This one's got a lot of ants. I'm gonna have to look up whether or not I leave the stalks here. I don't know if they're done once I pull this. But this one right here is a multicolored corn, which I like. My favorites are either yellow or the multicolor. And this is a nice size ear. This one's really skinny. This one's got little dots of pink on it, so again, I've got to do much better with labeling my corn, where I put it, how close I put it to another kind. Ooh, this one's got ants that are getting on me. I think I'm going to stop for now and pick some more tomorrow because it's starting to get dark.